Okay, this is from Grandma.
Oh, teddy bears.
Oh.
Look at those.
You open it.
It says, Dear Braylin, you are 3 years old.
Should we read it?
Cindy, you want me to read it to you?
No.
You gonna read it yourself?
No.
What do you say to Grandma? What do you say for the nice card?
Thank you.
Say, I love you.
I love you.
Good job. What a very pretty card. Okay. Should we open something else now? Look, you got this from your Aunt Lene. Do you want to open that from your Aunt Lene?
It's for friends.
Oh, wow.
Oh my goodness, it's so pretty.
It's for friends.
Yeah? What is it?
It's for friends.
It's for Braylin, but what is it?
It's for friends. It's for my. This my hungry.
It's you're hungry?
It's for food.
Oh.
Food,
Are you going to wear that to church?
yeah.
Yeah? What do you say to Aunt Lene?
Thank you.
Say, I love you.
I love you. And this.
No, that one's for Brookie. Okay, Brookie, you get to open this one. You open it? What's in it?
I won't open it.
Here.
Please.
What's in there?
Mommy, help me.
Oh, you got one too.
Boy, now you guys can both have a dress.
Oh, so pretty. You say thank you?
I'll get it, don't worry. I'll get the towel.
Brookie. Brooke. You say thank you?
Cover your mouth. Let me see.
All right. Yay. Good job. That's why she says thank you.
It's my flower.
How does she say thank you?
How she claps.